Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a limit player gate in Roblox Studio. So first you need to open Roblox Studios, then head to my game. Then head to any of the game you want to add the player gate to. So I'll go into my test game and wait for the game to load up properly. After the game loads up, I need to head to the toolbox section and under models tab, I'll search for player gate. Then hit enter. Now you need to add the first gate into your game. Left click, then click on OK. Now the player gate is into the game. In order to set it up, you need to take these files to their designated locations. So this one has to go into replicated storage. So I'll left click and drag it into replicated storage. This one will go in a starter character script. So I'll take this and drag it into starter player, then starter character script. This one will go into the starter GUI folder. So I'll just take it into the starter GUI folder. And this one will be ungrouped in here. So I'll just press Ctrl+U to ungroup all of them. So now all of them is ungrouped. Now we can edit it as we wish. The main script is here. You can edit it by yourself if you want and change the attributes. And the player allowed button in here refers to the maximum allowed players within the gate. So that by default it comes with 1, but you can change it to any number you want. So I'll just input 5. The gate will be this, which will teleport you to this teleport point. You can also make it transparent so that nobody can see it. After that, the replicated events are built in with the scripts. So now we can click on the play button and see it in action. So if I go to this gate, I'll be teleported in here, and maximum of 5 players are allowed in this location. You can also confine this area if you want according to your needs. And after it, be teleported to wherever you have set it to. And also, if you click on exit before you are teleported, your character will be resetted and you'll be back into the spawn media. So this is how you can add a limit player gate into your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.